Hello everyone, I am Sakshi, your science teacher. Hope you all are fine. As you know, there are many ways in which plants get their nutrition. Different plants use different modes to get their sufficient nutrition. So, I am going to discuss about mode of nutrition in plants. Let's begin. Modes of nutrition in plants. First of all, what is nutrition? The process of obtaining food by plants is called nutrition. Now, modes of nutrition in plants. There are two modes of nutrition in plants. First is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Second is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So, let's start with autotrophic mode of nutrition. Green plants absorbs carbon dioxide from air and water from the soil. With the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, they convert this material into food. This process is called photosynthesis. That means green plants have ability to prepare food for themselves. So they are called autotrophs. So the kind of nutrition in which organisms prepare its own food actually is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. And examples are all green plants, blue-green alga, etc. Now, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Plants which cannot produce their own food and so these are dependent on green plants or other organisms for their food. They are called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. They could be parasitic, saprophytic, symbiotic, and insectivorous. So, parasitic nutrition. Some plants like Cuscuta, locally called amarbale, grows over other plant and obtain nutrients from it. Such plants is called parasite. And the plant over which it grows and obtain nutrients is called host. So, the organisms obtain nutrients from other organisms' body. This mode of nutrition is called parasitic nutrition. And examples are copse flower, Rafflesia, etc. Next is saprophytic nutrition. Some plants like mushroom secrete digestive juices on dead part of the plant or animal so as to convert into simpler substances in solution form. They absorb nutrients from the soil so form. Such mode of nutrition in which organisms obtain nutrients from dead and decaying organic substances are called saprophytic nutrition. And organisms which have this, they are called saprotrophs. Examples, bread mold, which is also called Rhizopus mucor pin mold. Often food like pickle and material like leather get spoiled because of saprophytes such as fungi. Now third one is symbiotic nutrition. Organisms which live together like friends, they share shelter and food. And in terms of science, this relationship is called symbiotic relationship. The rhizobium bacteria and leguminous plants like peas, moong, beans. The leguminous plants let the bacteria live in its roots and also provide food to it. On the other hand, the rhizobium bacteria convert the nitrogen present in the soil in the form usable by the plants. This way, both are benefited from each other. Next example is alga and fungi, which is called lichen. Fungi provide shelter, water and other nutrients to alga. and alga offers food prepared by photosynthesis. In this way, both are benefited. Now, last one is insectivorous nutrition. Have you ever heard insect-eating plants? Yes, it is true. Plants like Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. They are colorful to attract insects towards them. The part of their body such as leaves are modified into trap organs such as pitcher, which helps for catching the insects. The hair present in the pitcher holds the insect and does not let it escape. With the help of digestive enzymes, they digest the food and obtain nutrients from it. Now question arises, why do they need to eat insects? The answer is very simple. There is need to convert complex matter in the form which can be used by plants. The job is done by bacteria such as Rhizobium. The process of conversion of complex nitrogenous matter into simpler form such as ammonia that can be used by the plants is called nitrogen fixation or nitrification. Because of acidic soil, the process could not be completed. In such case, the plant search from another sources of food which is nothing but insects. Hope you understand the topic.
Thank you and have a good